Well, hello, welcome to Drawing with Fire. I'm Valarie, your neighborhood pyrography artist, and this is your home in Burning and Learning. Welcome to the first annual Drawing with Fire pyrography group art show, virtual, of course. And I want to say a special thanks to all these wonderful pyrography artists who entered their art to be shared with you, these 19 artists, with the theme of growth. So your first picture you'll always see is on the left, and that is their very first art burning that they did. And the burning on the right is where they currently are in 2020. Now this is a video of the guided tour. You're welcome to go to the actual gallery and click around and look at each piece of art. So we're just going to get started. I'm going to play a little bit of music. Enjoy this 4-minute art show for yourself. Once the art show is done for the guided tour, you can walk through the gallery, click on any of the photos that you're interested in. It'll give you a little bit more information. And I do have an example here. You just, move your footsteps around. It is easier to use on PC, but they do have an app for mobile. Sometimes it's a little iffy, but it's there for you. Now I'm showing you the Drawing with Fire member wall. We have two walls. One we saw at the very beginning of the guided tour and here on the end. Now those are the members for the Drawing with Fire YouTube channel. If you want to become a member, at the end of the video I'm going to show you very quickly how to do it. I have updated the membership, so I'm just waiting for YouTube to approve the perk. I'm going to make it where we have a quarterly art show for members only, and depending on the level that you choose to be a member at, which is completely up to you, whatever works best for you in helping to support the channel, you will be able to have your own art in this members only gallery that will always be available, that you can show to other people, use as a portfolio, and it all depends on the different, whatever level you choose. And all posts are always in the community tab right on there. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you to all the wonderful artists who submitted their art. It was so exciting to see. I really had fun hanging it for you guys, and hopefully you're happy with how your art looks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and please share with your friends. Show off all your wonderful work. Happy burning, guys. Bye.